Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you 10 patterns you could do on the Rubik's Cube. The first pattern is called the superflip. These are the moves to make it. The next one is called the checkerboard. This is probably the easiest one to make. This is how you make it. Next we have a pattern called vertical stripes. It's pretty much a bunch of lines here and a solved top. This is how you make it. Next we have a pattern called the cross. On every side there will be a cross. This is how you make this pattern. The next pattern is my personal favorite, called the twisted cube in a big cube. Despite the long name, it's pretty cool. These are the moves to make it. Now we have a really cool pattern called the Anaconda. These are the moves. The next one is very similar but still a little bit different. It's called the black magma. Here's how you make it. This next pattern is called the green magma. Here are the moves to make it. Now we just have a bunch of spots. Here are the moves to make it. The next pattern is called the twister. These are the moves to make it. Those are 10 Rubik's Cube patterns. Thanks for watching. Bye.